Why are people sleeping on these? I don't get it. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone's doing well. Thanks a lot for joining. My name is Devagaro and today we have an awesome poppin' great review. I hope you enjoy it. So let's get into it. After many people asked me when was I gonna start finally reviewing some Air Jordan highs, I listened and I do have many of them in my collection, but because of one or another reason, I had not been able to get around to them. But now is the time. And here we have them. The Nike Air Zoom Jordan 1 in the Zen green colorway. I know I'm always excited about different reviews and pretty much all of the sneakers that I've showcased so far. But I'm very excited for this one because of one hidden reason, and that has to do with the Zoom Air unit that it has. This is a game changer, guys. Everyone who has or possesses a pair of Air Jordans will know what I'm talking about. And it's the fact that they're not really known for being very comfortable. They're not. They are awesome. They look great. They look sexy. They look very, very hip. You can combine them with so many types of different fits. So I get it. But in terms of comfort, that's one area where it's not, let's say it's lacking. Starting from the front, we have a mudguard in black made out of leather. And behind it, we can appreciate the toe box with the traditional perforations of Jordan 1s. It's coming in a green colorway. The official colorway is tomatillo. It's a Spanish word for like little tomato or something like that. Moving to the medial side of the shoe, we have some black overlays in leather holding also the eyelids for the shoelaces. And in the bottom, right underneath it, we have the mid panel, which is also in that suede green tomatillo colorway. On top of the mid panel, we have a gray swoosh. This gray swoosh features 3M, which hit by a light or some type of a flash, lights up. A slight tweak that Nike did for these is the fact that it reinforced a couple of stitchings on the outer side of the shoes in this bright green thread. Now moving along to the bottom of the shoe, first we look at the midsole, which comes in a white colorway, and then flipping the shoe over, we can examine the outsole. And when we look at this outsole, it's a very cool one. I really like it. It's very translucent and it has different shades of colors. It has different tones. And we have blues, we have bright reds or pink, I guess. We have even greens, and across the whole outsole, we also see some Z's, which stand for Zoom. Moving along to the top of the shoe, on the tongue, we can see a nylon tag, which features Zoom Air branding. Something that's very cool about this sneaker is that the Wings logo is embossed in black, which makes it a very subtle little detail, and it's not just out there or contrasting that much with the shoe. So I really like that it's very minimal, very subdued, and that's awesome. As I referenced earlier in the video, these feature a Zoom Air unit, which adds a ton of comfort to these sneakers. That has to do with the insole, and this is a big difference. Trust me, guys, not only on the heel side, but also on the front of your foot. When you step, when you walk, you can feel the air units on the heel and also the extra padding that you have on the front. So personally, if you ask me, this should be a feature that should be in every single Jordan. Doesn't matter if it's OG or not. I know that a lot of people might say, hey, it's no longer OG, blah, blah, blah. I get it. But I think that incorporating that feature across the board as a standard, that would make this shoe a lot more desirable, and it would just improve the longevity of the shoe. So let's not forget, this is a 35, 40 year type of a shoe. And let's keep up with the technology, guys. Why not, right? Now that we looked at these in detail, why don't we go ahead and just throw these on feet?
In the darkest hour, I wanna comfort you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do you go? In your head when in the real world is snow. Oh, I know how you hit the cold. Spend your life searching for more. Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Fight to leave, fight to leave, fight to sometimes find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for a soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. Cause the thing we're searching for.
In terms of sizing, the Zen greens run true to size. And as I always suggest, try stopping by your local shoe shop so you can give them a try and see how they fit. All right, guys, so that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you very much once again for sticking around. I really appreciate all of your support, all your comments, all your questions that you send me. It's great to have that interaction with all of you guys. And I hope that you found this review of value and it helped enhance your sneaker philosophy, as I like to call it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Let me know, what do you think about the Zen Green Zoom Air Jordan 1s? Let me know, is this something that you're looking forward to or not? Or are you surprised, just as I was, that this is a bit of a sleeper? I actually doubled up on it. So let's see how the prices behave in the future. But I think it's a great opportunity. One more important thing, guys. Can I ask you to please hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and finally, also that subscribe button so that the channel can keep growing, as well as the family, that we exchange views on the topic that we love, which is sneakers. And I really, really appreciate if you guys give me a hand with that. We're very, very close to the 100 subscribers mark, and that's a very, very big milestone, which would have never been possible without all your support. So thanks a lot. Let's keep it going. Let's keep pushing, and let's get those reviews coming, all right? Thank you very much. And we've gotten to the end of the video. So remember, always fresh, never stress. Until next time.